I'm back from my travels now, back in old Blighty, and the sun is shining amazingly. I thought I'd left the sun in Spain, and behind me, the forsythia is blooming, and the camellia's going nuts. And the rosemary is blooming again. The bay is budding. But best of all, I've got my first lot of frog spawn of the year in the pond. Nature is a wonderful thing. It just springs back every year, doesn't it? It's incredibly resilient and important. And sometimes, I don't know, we just need to stop for a moment and breathe and appreciate what's around us.